Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, we are gonna film the May update for the project pen, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. First things first, if you're curious about this eye look, I filmed it, it should be already live on Instagram and I will link it down below. And as well, I will put in the description box all the products that I have on my face. They are mostly project pen items, but I'll put everything in the description box. So let's actually start with the two products that I finished this month, and we are gonna end with the products that will replace those two. But the first item that I finished is the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer, and this is a mini. As you can see, it's finished. The pump is right here and I can't pump any product out. This was a really lovely primer. I don't know if I'm gonna repurchase it. I recently bought the banana primer by Ulla Hendrickson. I hope I'm pronouncing that decently. So I want to test that out. But I really like this product. It's very illuminating but not shimmery or something like that. And all of my foundations looked just wonderful on top of it, so I really enjoyed this primer and I really recommend it. But I'm very happy that I finished it up and we are gonna replace it with another primer at the end. The second product that I finished is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is the Diamond Milk shade, and I'm not really surprised. I've been using up glosses like a maniac. I don't know what's happening, but I'm using up all my glosses and I'm quite happy about that. The name is just great for it, Diamond Milk, because it's a milky color and it has a lot of shimmers. Actually, it's not my favorite because of the shimmers, but the formula is so amazing and I did enjoy using it. So I don't think I'm gonna repurchase this exact shade, but I could see myself buying another one, maybe a more clear gloss from Fenty, because the formula is just stunning. And I'm very happy to use up a lot of lip glosses, so I'm very excited about the one that I'm gonna add to the project pen as well. Then let's talk about the Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is the shade Blossom Gloom. And I forgot to mention, I hope I put pictures on the screen with all of these products, but I'm gonna pop a picture with the progress for this highlighter. It's a very slow progress. I'm wearing the highlighter today. I really love it. For pinky looks is just wonderful. I really enjoy it. It's a very hard item to finish. I don't know if I could finish this product until the end of the year, but I will finish it next year and it will be just fine. So I really love this highlighter. I do hate the packaging because this broke a long time ago. I don't even remember. But the product is just great and the price is amazing. So even though I hate this packaging, I'm using the product and I'm very happy to do so, but I will never travel with this packaging. It's horrendous. Next, let's talk about the MAC lipstick, and this is the matte formula and the shade Kinda Sexy. I do really enjoy this color. It's a more orangey shade, so I put it on today, but I switch it with a more pinky, purpley lipstick because it doesn't work with very purple and very pink looks, but it's a stunning lipstick. I'm very excited. I think I could finish this one in 4 months. So I think it's doable to finish it this year and I'm so excited about that. So yeah. Next we have the Milk Makeup Cream Bronzer and is the shade Baked, and this one is in the Becca packaging and it looks something like this. I'm gonna put again some pictures on the screen. I don't see any progress on this. I'm using it a lot. I'm using it today actually. I love it. It's wonderful. It's still creamy. It's just very easy to apply, very easy to blend out, but it's a very slow progress. I think the highlighter is going faster than this cream bronzer, but I enjoy it. And again, if I'm gonna finish this product up next year, that's totally fine with me. I'm not in a hurry. I just want to finish some products This is a more challenging item, and it's totally fine. Maybe at some point I will swap it out for other bronzer, but I'm still enjoying it, and I think I'm gonna use it all summer because it will be just wonderful in the summer, and I really enjoy it. But at some point maybe I will swap it out, but I do have in mind to finish it up at some point, so maybe next year, but I will finish it up for sure. Next we have the NYX High Glass Powder, and I will pop again some pictures. I have just a tiny bit of this product left, and I decided to use it only for my brow bone. I do have it today. I know that using it like that, it will be a slower progress. I will still use it up, but it will be a slower progress, but I'm okay with that. I really enjoy it, using it under my brow, so I decided that's the way I want to finish it up. So we are gonna do that, and it will take maybe 2-3 months, maybe even more, I don't know. But this is my brow bone highlighter, and I'm gonna use it every time I'm doing my makeup, and I will be so damn happy. The next one is the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, and I have in the project pan the shade 110, and I did introduce this one last month, and I did use it a lot. I really enjoy this foundation. I'm wearing it today actually. This product I think is very possible to be done next month, and if that's the case, I'm gonna introduce the other one because I have 3 bottles of this foundation. So you are gonna see this foundation a lot more times, but maybe not this exact bottle. So I really want to finish all 3 bottles in this project pan, but I'm very happy with the progress. I think this will be finished in the next month, and I do enjoy it. I'm very happy with the progress, and I'm very happy with this foundation in the project pan. Next product is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this is the shade Light Sand, and this one is the matte finish version of the concealer. I found that the only way that I could use this concealer is by mixing it with the Catrice True Skin Concealer, because that one is a bit more hydrating. This one is just a bit too dry for me right now. This month I really struggled a bit with my skin. I do really think the Paula's Choice exfoliant is just too strong for me. So my skin is peeling, it's very dry and kind of weird. I don't know what to do really. I don't remember ever loving this concealer, so I know that a lot of people love it. Right now I don't think it's that bad because I'm struggling with my skin, so maybe my skin is the problem and not this concealer that much, but still it's a mediocre concealer. So in the past, when my skin was not freaking out, this concealer would be a 7. So don't hate it, not my favorite. I will continue to mix it with the Catrice one. So maybe I'm gonna use the Paula's Choice exfoliant every 2 weeks and see how that goes. But this concealer is not helping at all with my dry, flaky skin right now, so this is for sure more for oily skin. But I will continue to use it because I really want to finish it up, but it's a bit of a struggle. Next we have the Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray, and I do enjoy this setting spray. I did use it a bunch. I think in 2 months this should be done. Maybe at some point I will buy the smaller version, the travel size, because I'm not wearing makeup for a long period of time, usually just 5-6 hours at most. So for most days I don't really need this setting spray, but I enjoy having it in my collection for maybe special occasions. So I'm gonna buy maybe at some point the travel size. That should be enough. Next we have the 2 eye pencils, and they are both from Sephora. This one is Black Lace and this purple one is Eccentric Diva. I'm wearing them both today, and Eccentric Diva, it's on my waterline. I do really like both of these pencils. They are so tiny, so I think I'm gonna use them up in the next months, and I'm very excited about that because they are a bit old, so I think it's great to use them up now, and they are lovely. I do recommend the formula, and I'm very excited with the progress. Let's talk about the replacements right now. So for the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer that I just finished, I will put in the project pen the ordinary High-Adherence Silicone Primer, and I did have one of these bottles last year in my project pen, and I have another one because I bought a backup, and sadly I don't love this primer that much. Right now I much prefer something more luminous. This primer is still great, I don't hate it or something like that, so I want to use it up. I don't think I'm gonna repurchase it after that, but I want to put it in the project pen. I will pop the picture. I do have a lot of product in here, so this will take a while, and I'm very excited to have it again in my project pen, so I really want to use this one up this year as well. And to replace the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, I will put into the project pen the Essence Shine 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 Lip Gloss, and this one is clear. I love this lip gloss. I really enjoy it. It's very shiny, the name is just on point. Very shiny, very glossy. It makes your lips look very, very juicy. Let's put it on actually. It's so lovely and it's so affordable. I really like it. Just look at it, it's so juicy and shiny and glossy and amazing. I really like it. I've been using it for the past week and a half, I think, and it's wonderful. I really like it, and this for sure will be done in the next update. Okay, so these were all the products. I'm very happy with the progress. I do enjoy project penning, so I'm very excited to continue this series. And yeah, so if you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.